You're my favorite person to face the weird, the hard, and the beautiful parts of life alongside. We don't always have the answers. Sometimes I like to think I do, but we always have each other, and that's more than enough. To standing here today, I'm in awe of our journey that we have shared together.
I cannot wait to become your wife today. You amaze me every day, Nicholas, and you always will. The way you are dedicated to us, your family, and hopefully our future family. Through stressful days here and there, you are always looking on the positive side of things. You know how to take on one day at a time and always remind me you can only control so much. I promise to always stick by your side and be your #1 fan. I promise to push us to have the best life for us and our future children.
I, Nicholas,
give you Makenna,
this ring as a sign of my love,
this ring as a sign of my love,
my loyalty, my never-ending devotion. With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
Please repeat after me. I, Makenna,
Give you, Nicholas,
this ring as a sign of my love,
this ring as a sign of my love,
my loyalty,
and
my never-ending devotion.
my never-ending devotion.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
Nicholas, you now may kiss the bride.
All right, I feel like everyone needs to take a drink. Just start it off strong. Nick, you bring so much joy into all of our lives, and you and Makenna truly bring out the best in one another.
You and Nick have had such a strong connection. You've been part of our family for years, and now after all this time, you've officially made it, you've become an Emmert, and I'm excited to call you my sister.
You support each other, challenge each other, and somehow make each other laugh like it's the first time you met.
I wish you a lifetime of laughter, stubborn children, and moments sweeter than story time in a preschool.
You guys are the perfect match and complement each other so well. So everybody, let's raise a glass and toast to this amazing couple. We love you guys and we can't wait to see what your future holds.